Yes, hello, good evening guys. Welcome to Technical Alphas. Please share, subscribe and like the video. Today's topic we're going to be covering, or we're going to talk about Microsoft applications, or what we call computer applications. We are going to be covering all the elements found in a Microsoft Office suite. We're going to cover Microsoft Office Word, that's Word document or word processing. We're going to cover spreadsheet stroke worksheet. We're going to cover PowerPoint or presentation. We're going to look at database or Microsoft Access, and we shall also look at Microsoft Publisher. But for today, for the beginners, the main aim is we're going to look at how we create folders, or how we can create our folders on the computer. Then after, we have to see how we can save our files in our created folders. So without wasting more time, let me first show you the difference between a folder and a file. We have to know the difference between a folder and a file. A folder and a file. Simply say a file refers to a digital container for storing data, information, or programs on a computer. Files can be documents, images, videos, or executable programs. Those are files. If you have an image on your computer, if you have a video, if you have an executable program, if you have a document, it can be a Word document, a PowerPoint document, that's called a file. And a folder refers to a digital organization unit used to group and store files. So folders help in managing and structuring information on a computer. Most of the time, you see, we use folders on our computers to structure and organize well our information or files. You find that I have a folder for images, I have a folder for Word document, all that. So we create folders purposely to organize and manage our information on the computer. So we're going to see the different ways on how we can create folders and give them our desired names, or the names that we want, and how we can save our files in the created folders. Okay, I think we can start by choosing the location where I want to create our folder. In this case, for me, I'm going to create the folder on the desktop or on my desktop. And you can also choose another location. It depends on what you want. You can go on this PC. On certain computers, you see you have item where you want to create your folder, something like that. But in this case, I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. And how can I do that? Simply, you right click on your desktop in an empty space. After right clicking, you click on new. Or you left click on new, then you click on folder. Your new folder will come or will appear at the desktop. Then after that, you give it a different name, or you give it a name of your choice. I can say my name. Then after that, you click somewhere on the screen or on the desktop so that your folder is named. Or in case you wanted to give it a different name or another name, you can rename your folder. How can you rename it? Simply, what you do, you come on your folder, your created folder, you right click on it, then you come down here and click on new. Okay, then you give it a name. You give it a name of your choice. In this case, I'm going to rename it Alphas. Like that. That's how we create folders. So we have to see how we can save files in our folders. We're going to start with the simplest way, or the simple way of saving files in folders. So the first simple way is, I want to save a Word document in my folder. I'm going to come here and I open my folder, or the folder that I've created. How do I open that? You're going to right click on it, click on open. Then here you will be having an empty space in your folder. How will you know that you are in your folder, or you are in your new created folder? here you will see that the name of the folder will come, showing the name that you give in your folder. That's how you can, or you have opened up your created folder. So how can we save documents in our folder? The first way, let's take an example. I want to start Microsoft Office Word document file in my folder, or I want to save a Microsoft Office document file in my folder. Simply you're going to right click in an empty space. After right clicking, you're going to click on new. Then for this time round, we're not going to create a folder because we have already finished creating a folder. So right now what we want to create a Word document. So you click on Microsoft Office Word document or Microsoft Word document, like that. So your file will be created, but you have to give it a name like the way we did on the folder. So you give it a name. I can say my first practical. After that you click in space. So your new document will be created, or how can I open it? You select it. After selecting it, right click on it and click open. Now it has opened. So we have finished saving our file, our Word document file, in our new created folder. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video.